Here we are, the 20th of March, 2012. Arch boiling a little sap away today. We're winding down. We got about 50 gallons left of 150 gallons. And we've got about 4 or 5 gallons of syrup going to build up in this pan here. We'll be drawing off this afternoon. Sugars are running real well. The reds are bloomed out. They haven't ran all year. But odd year for this whole thing because it's hot, 65 degrees, and actually humid. Steam going out here. But take a look around the sugar shack. See the maple leaves around the lights I made. And sitting here just having a beer right now. Coffee earlier. Some of my wood carvings. Filter for filtering the syrup a little later. And a corner full of bottles. Anyway, that's it for a tour of Scarlet Jewell Sugar Shack 2012.